Hi, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my 2024 favorites with you guys. From skincare to makeup to food items to miscellaneous. A lot of things is what I've tried to capture in this video. If you feel like कोई category मैंने miss की है तो वो ना आप मुझे comment section में बता सकते हो. I will definitely try and create a part 2. Like this probably is going to be the last video of 2024, but if you want to know some favorites, we can still make a part 2 and upload that in 2025 as well. I just want to put it out there that since I have loved these things, or I own these things, or I use these things, it doesn't mean that even you need to have them in your lives. It's absolutely not like that. But since I feel like we have come to an end of this year, I personally love watching these videos. I get to see so many different kind of products. I get to discover so many different kinds of things that are available in the market. I thought this would be a perfect video for you all. Now since I'm showing you so many products, I feel like it's gonna be a very lengthy video. So I really hope you guys would be sitting down with your coffee or hot chocolate or chai, whatever it is that you enjoy having. So wo leke aaram se baith jana, and yeah, let us start with today's video. Alright, now I'm super confused what to start with, but since I have all my skincare products right in front of me, so might as well start with all my favorite skincare products, okay? Now the first thing, the absolute first thing which I loved in this year is this face mask. Now I really love face masks, okay? And the one that has been going viral this year and the one that I've used and abused is this one from Foxtail. This is their Skin Radiance Mask, which cleans pores and reduces blackheads. It's basically made of Brazilian purple clay, kaolin clay and lactic acid. So really good ingredients. आपको मैं दिखा देती हूँ मैंने इसको कितना ज़्यादा यूज़ किया हुआ है. Just look at that. Like थोड़ा सा ही बचा है, but this is an amazing face mask, you guys. मुझे एंड विवेक को इससे इतना ज़्यादा बेनिफिट मिला है ना. Like if you're like really badly tanned back from like a vacation, you want to jazz up your skin, you have to attend a wedding or a function or an occasion or a party. I think just before that, अगर आपको skin prep करना है with a mask, I think I'm gonna recommend the Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask to you guys, like eyes closed, because this is a really good mask. It went viral and went viral for a reason. I really love this. Very gentle on the skin. जब dry भी हो जाता है तभी भी खिंचता नहीं है, which is a very important factor for me because I'm a dry skin gal, and also it smells really nice and also a pretty budget friendly product. Really nice mask. Next skincare product which I have absolutely loved this year is this advanced snail mucin power essence from Cosrx. Now this I understand is like a little expensive product, but I have been using this I think since the last 2.5-3 months every day before I go to sleep. Like this is my night skincare wala product and I have been enjoying this like anything. I wake up with very soft, supple and bright skin, and I have really liked how it has removed my blemishes, my acne scars. So I think it works really nice and wonders for my skin. And if you guys have little blemishes or acne scars, or you want to wake up with like really soft and nice skin with that natural brightness, I think this snail mucin from Cosrx is gonna be a really nice pick. Next I'll talk about a lip balm which not many people talk about, but personally I have loved it this year because I have really dry and chapped lips, okay? So of course I love tinted lip balms. I love the tinted lip balms from Nykaa. I have spoken about them repeatedly, but one lip balm which does not have a tint but it's very moisturizing for the lips is this one from Sebamed, and it also comes with SPF 30. I completely love this lip balm. This is the one that I usually use before I wear any lipstick, because you should not wear lipstick on dry chapped lips directly. You should have a nice like lip balm on your lips, and this I feel like is a perfect lip balm. Like अगर आपको hydrating and like moisturizing वाला lip balm चाहिए, please give this one a shot. I know not a lot of people talk about this. It's not a very hyped or viral product, but it's a very damn good product, okay? Alright, next up I have a moisturizer. This one is from Dot & Key. This is their Ceramides and Hyaluronic Skin Barrier Repair Plus Face Cream with probiotics and rice water. Now since this comes with rice water, ये आपके skin को ना एक natural glow, एक natural brightness भी provide करता है, and बहुत light weighted है, लेकिन बहुत ही deeply आपके skin को ये hydrate and moisturize करेगा. So it's like a winter favorite and something which I've loved throughout the year whenever my skin has like felt dry. I had been to Kashmir recently, and there my skin was sort of like cracking up because of the cold, and I felt like this was like really amazing, and I really reached out to this product when I was in Kashmir. So very nicely this will hydrate and moisturize your your skin, yet it's not very, you know, like chipchipa or sticky or like that. So it's a really nice product. Dot & Key makes amazing products. I keep talking about Dot & Key. Very, very nice moisturizer. Alright, I have this amazing body lotion, the Vanilla Caramel Body Lotion with cocoa butter from Plum Body Loving. This one is so amazing, comes with a pump packaging, and this huge bottle will cost you only rupees 475. I think on discount you might get it for rupees 350, 375 as well, which I think is absolutely brilliant considering the size of this product. If you guys are looking for something which will very, very nicely moisturize and hydrate your skin, I think this is gonna be an amazing pick for you all. Next up in skincare, I have this amazing lip scrub. This one is from Dot & Key again. This is their lip polish sugar scrub. You get 15 ml of product in here. Now this one is very, very effective, you guys. This is basically the scrub, okay? All you have to do is take a little bit of this and scrub your lips. I don't think you should do it every day, so probably you can do it like once or twice a week. MRP of this product is rupees 249, but इस पे भी कुछ ना कुछ सेल आप लोग को डेफिनेटली मिल जाएगा. मुझे इससे पर्टिकुलरली बेनिफिट इसलिए मिला है बिकॉज लाइक आई जस्ट मेंशन कि मेरे ना लिप्स ड्राई एंड चैप्ड रहते हैं. सो एक ना ये फटे हुए स्किन का लेयर बन जाता है एंड उसके ऊपर कोई लिप बाम भी उतना इफेक्टिवली काम नहीं करता है. तो कभी कभी डेड स्किन सेल्स आपके लिप से हटाने के लिए ना एक लिप स्क्रब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. इसके पहले मैं बेला विटा का एक बीटरूट लिप स्क्रब यूज करती थी, वो भी बहुत अच्छा था. आई डोंट नो इफ दे मेक दैट प्रोडक्ट एनी मोर और नॉट, बट ये वाला जो Dot & Key ने बनाया है प्रोडक्ट बहुत अमेजिंग है एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस लिप स्क्रब. देयर इज दिस फेस वॉश फ्रॉम Dot & Key, the Sika Calming face wash. I keep talking about it, I've spoken about that multiple times, but there's this other face wash which also is something I absolutely adore and love. This one is the hydrating cleanser from Foxtail. Now this face wash is really nice if you want to like clean makeup, या फिर ऐसे अगर आपको face wash करना है and you want like squeaky clean face, then I think this is going to be an amazing face wash. Comes with a pump packaging. The pump packaging is absolutely brilliant. There's no leakage or like mess, and I also love the color of this product. So nice, yeah, this pastel shade is. So I think along with Dot & Key, even Foxtail is doing great when it comes to skincare. I absolutely love this face wash. The last product in the skincare category is going to be this foot cream from Fab India. This is their avocado lychee foot cream. This is what it looks like. Now I basically didn't buy it from an offline store of Fab India. I got this from Nykaa itself. I really love moisturizing my feet every single day before going to bed because along with my skin, my lips, my feet are also very dry. I need a good you know, like foot cream, and this is a really good foot cream, you guys. Like I have tried so many different foot creams, but this is like a, you know, like no mess kind of a foot cream. Works very well, moisturizes my heels, my cracked heels very nicely, and since this comes with like an avocado and lychee fragrance, the fragrance also is very subtle, but it's very nice. So I completely love this foot cream. Also I think is very budget friendly. This tub will cost you rupees 375 and you have 100 grams of product in here. Quickly हम मेकअप की बात कर लेंगे. मेकअप में मेरे पास उतने ज़्यादा favorites नहीं है आप लोग के साथ शेयर करने के लिए because I don't do a lot of makeup and I also haven't tried a lot of makeup this year. But whatever I've tried ना उसमें से मैं 4 आप लोग को मेरे favorite products दिखा देती हूँ. सबसे पहले मेरे पास है ये वाला आई शेडो Nykaa का. Look at the shades. It starts from like this neutral tones and then it moves up to this pink and this orange kind of a shade, rusty shade. You have light pink in here. So this basically has shimmer shades and matte shades and it's very portable as well. Now this one, if I'm not wrong, came with its own brush यहाँ पे था, but I've misplaced the brush and I anyway like to use my own brush, you know, when it comes to eyeshadow. So I completely love this eyeshadow. I think it really works with all my different outfits. Now I know it has more of like pink shades, so mainly I think this eyeshadow palette works perfectly fine. But if you want to try like different like shade combinations from Nykaa's eyeshadow collection, ये तो नीचे linked रहेगा ही, तो आप इसके जो दूसरे available color options है आप वो check out कर सकते हो. Next up is a product which I am loving currently. This is the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline. This also is a very viral product for 2024 and of course it had to be because it's really a good product. This one comes with hyaluronic acid and it is so nice. Gives your lips that perfect shine, that perfect glossy look, which I completely love, and also gives you like a plumped effect on your lips, which is so nice. I will show you how this shade looks like, okay? The shade is Petal, by the way, and look at that shade. Such a beautiful nude pink color. Some days I just like to wear this on its own without any lipstick because I just like that natural look, and on some days I would wear a lipstick and then I would layer it with this lifter gloss. Works perfectly for me. The last makeup product which I have loved in 2024 and have used a lot is this compact powder from K Beauty. It is a very amazing compact powder. I am by the way in the shade 100N Light. बहुत ही अच्छा compact powder है यार, very nice. Look at that, मैंने ना पूरा पैन हिट कर लिया यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा ही बचा है. So this is what the compact basically looks like. You can see how pigmented this is. बहुत ही अच्छे से वर्क करता है मेरे स्किन पे. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस, लाइक अ पोस्ट अ सीसी क्रीम एप्लीकेशन आई गो इन विद दिस कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. रियली गुड प्रोडक्ट. के ब्यूटी मेक्स अमेजिंग मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स. एवरीबडी टॉक्स अबाउट देम एंड दे आर जस्ट सो नाइस, राइट? But if you want some other recommendations for compact powders from me, I really love the 9to5 compact powder from Lakme, and I also love the one from L'Oreal, their Infallible compact. That's also really great. Now the next category is going to be the fragrance category. I'm going to show you 2 fragrances that I've loved in 2024. But if you want to see more fragrances that I've really enjoyed the past year, I'm going to link a video in the description box जिसमें मैंने आप लोगों के साथ 5 fragrances share किए हुए हैं. Those are also some fragrances which I've really used and abused in 2024. So मैं ना वो फिर से आप लोगों को दिखा के repetitive content नहीं बनाना चाह रही थी. So I will just show you 2 fragrances that I've not shown you in that video. The first one is this one from Victoria's Secret. This one is their a body mist in the variant Bombshell Passion. This is really nice, you guys. I will place the nose somewhere on the screen. This is a very fruity and sweet fragrance and really works so wonderfully for me because I feel like I love sweet fragrances. I've always said that, and this is a beautiful body mist. Of course it's not excessively long lasting, but it's a very good body mist. It will really refresh you with the fragrance. This is not long lasting though, that's definitely a con, but I think overall fragrance wise it's a really nice body mist from Victoria's Secret. Now this particular body mist, I think the MRP would be close to 2500. So yeah, you will definitely get this off of Nykaa, so do try this one out. Another fragrance product which I have discovered very recently is this one from Bella Vita. This is their Date EDP. Now you guys can see I have not used this much. I think एक या 2 बार ही मैंने इसको spritz किया होगा. Now this one is truly amazing. I have seen so many influencers talk about Date and Senorita from Bella Vita, and I haven't tried Senorita by the way. मुझे उसको भी try करना है, but 2025 में try करूँगी अभी directly. Date मैंने order किया था a few days back from Amazon, and I am loving this. This has some amazing vanilla notes, and vanilla is also something which I really prefer, and I love vanilla fragrances. This is a really nice EDP, and trust me, this is long lasting also, not gonna pinch your pocket. So if you're like a college going girl, or if you want like a regular daily wear fragrance for your office or college, like I said, I think you guys can definitely try this one out. Also such a nice portable packaging. You can easily throw this into your bag and you're going to be sorted. Next category is going to be the food category. Now I have 3-4 items to recommend to you guys. These are items that I've really like tasted and enjoyed this whole year. Now the first 2 things are going to be healthy also, so full marks for these products. The first one that I have is a protein bar. Now you guys know that, you know, our generation is like a little conscious about their health. They work out, they want to eat healthy. So बहुत सारे protein bars अभी भर चुके हैं market में. I personally find the Max protein bars a little too sweet for my liking. I personally love the Right Bite protein bars, especially the one in the Choco Delight variant. These protein bars come with almonds, raisins, quinoa crispies, oats and cashews with no preservatives and all natural ingredients. These are so good. Basically the protein is equivalent to 1 cup of milk, calcium is equal to 1 cup of milk, vitamin A is equal to 1 small carrot, vitamin C is equal to 2 strawberries and vitamin E is equal to 6 almonds. So आप समझ सकते हो कि अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है ये सब इतना कुछ खाने के लिए, दूध, फ्रूट्स वगैरह, ये एक प्रोटीन बार आप बैग में रख सकते हो एंड आप इसको इजीली खा सकते हो. तो ये बेसिकली ना मैक्स प्रोटीन का ही आई थिंक ब्रांड है. राइट बाइट जो है ना उनका ही है. दे आर लाइक अ लिटिल different in taste and also much cheaper than the Max protein bars actually. Like these ones will cost you only ₹45 per piece, which I think is really great. So I love this, Vivek loves this, and we always have one in our like work bag and one in our outing bag. So we really love this protein bar. Next healthy food item is this peanut butter, this dark chocolate peanut butter from the brand The Whole Truth. This peanut butter is so amazing. It tastes like chocolate, legit chocolate. आपको लगेगा कि आप नटेला ही खा रहे हो. अगर आप आँख बंद करके खाओगे ना आपको लगेगा कि आप नटेला ही खा रहे हो. बट नटेला इज लाइक so much of sugar. I know those things are like really like tempting and you want to keep having that, but This peanut butter is made with dates, 25% dates, and there is no sugar at all, no palm oil, no chemicals, no added salt. So like I mentioned, the ingredients are also really good. This basically has peanuts, date powder, cocoa and cocoa butter. That's all. This has zero sugar, you guys, which is so amazing. सारे न्यूट्रिशनल फैक्ट्स वगैरह आप डेफिनेटली चेक कर सकते हो जब आप खरीदोगे भी, तो आप सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स लिस्ट वगैरह चेकआउट कर सकते हो. बट दिस इज सच अ नाइस पीनट बटर, यू गाइज. नाउ दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड द होल ट्रूथ, एंड द होल ट्रूथ का ही जो प्रोटीन बार है ना, चॉकलेट वाला, आई विल पुट अ पिक्चर समवेयर एंड आई विल ट्राई टू लिंक इट ऑल्सो. वो वाला भी बहुत अच्छा है. दैट इज मच मोर एक्सपेंसिव दैन द वन फ्रॉम राइट बाइट. राइट बाइट का 45 रुपीज पर पीस था. दैट वन आई थिंक इज 100 रुपीज पर पीस, बट दैट हैज लाइक सॉलिड आलमंड्स इन इट, एंड वो तो लगता है कि आप चॉकलेट ही खा रहे हो. आपको फीलिंग ही नहीं आएगा कि आप प्रोटीन बार खा रहे हो. इफ यू वांट टू हैव अ क्विक स्नैक, अगर आप लोग को पीनट बटर सैंडविच खाना है, या फिर यू वांट टू जस्ट हैव एप्पल विद पीनट बटर, आई थिंक इट्स अ really good option for chocolate lovers especially. Another product which I have discovered very recently is this one. This is the salsa from Habanero. That is the brand. This is what it looks like. ये आप लोगों को Instamart, Zepto, Blinkit सब पे मिल जाना चाहिए. really nice salsa, very authentic. आपको ना इसमें like legit thick tomato pieces भी मिलेंगे, which is like the best part of salsa, and genuinely tastes really good. अगर आप घर पे हाउस पार्टी कर रहे हो, नाचोस के साथ आप लोग को डिप चाहिए, salsa dip works perfectly. अगर आप लोग को कुछ ऐसे यू नो मैक्सिकन खाना बनाना है, उसमें भी आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो, लाइक इन अ रैप और लाइक इन अ कैसेडिया. तो ये बहुत ही ज्यादा काम आने वाला है आपके. तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे ये डिप, एंड बहुत टेस्टी एंड ऑथेंटिक है गाइस. डू ट्राई इट आउट. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव अ कॉफी रिकमेंडेशन फॉर यू गाइस. आई हैव द कोलंबियन ब्रू कॉफी डबल चॉकलेट मोका इंस्टेंट कॉफी sachets from the brand Colombian Brew. Oh my god, I legit love this. You get 25 sachets in here, and these will cost you how much exactly? I'm not able to find the price. Yeah, these will cost you rupees 225 for 25 sachets, which is like 9 rupees per sachet. बहुत अमेजिंग है. अगर आप लोगों को कॉफी चाहिए लेकिन चॉकलेट फ्लेवर का कॉफी चाहिए, मतलब बेसिकली मोका चाहिए, तो आप ये खरीद सकते हो. really nice coffee. I love it. I love coffee and I love chocolate, so the combination is amazing for me. Colombian Brew also makes different types of coffee like hazelnut, vanilla. तो आप लोग को जो भी पसंद है आप वो ट्राई कर सकते हो. एंड कॉफी में एक और रिकमेंडेशन है मेरे पास, which is कॉन्टिनेंटल का कॉफी, कॉन्टिनेंटल का इंस्टेंट कॉफी. That also is really great. I don't see too many people talk about that. A lot of people will talk about Brew Gold, Davidoff. वो सब तो अच्छे है ही यार, but something new in the coffee market is कॉन्टिनेंटल का instant coffee. That's also really nice. Picture will be somewhere on the screen. Okay guys, बहुत देर से मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ at this point, and बहुत मुश्किल से जाके मेरे ये सारे कैटेगरीज खत्म हुए हैं, like skin care, makeup and food. So finally we'll talk about all the miscellaneous favorites. These are miscellaneous items that I have loved in 2024. So let's start. Very quickly run you through these because मेरे कैमरे का बैटरी खत्म हो रहा है any time now. So the first one are these degradable sanitary disposal bags. Now this is what the packaging looks like. इसमें I think आप लोगों को ना 75 disposal bags मिल जाते हैं. This is what it looks like. These are biodegradable. इसमें आप easily आपके sanitary pads and period panties dispose कर सकते हो. I think disposing sanitary pads in a proper manner is very difficult. A lot of people don't pay much heed to it, but it's so important for the environment to dispose these properly. So ये वाले जो disposal bags है ना, these are like so good. I have loved using these this year. Very easy to carry. Also is very leak proof. So this is what it looks like. Do try these one out. And yeah, these are from Sirona by the way. Next up I have a candle which I absolutely love, and I love it so much कि ये मैं हर दूसरे दिन burn करके अपने bedroom में कोई book पढ़ रही होती हूँ. मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये, and ये विवेक को भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. विंटर में स्पेशली आई थिंक कैंडल जलाने का मजा ही कुछ अलग होता है. दिस वन इज द mahogany teakwood high intensity scented candle from Bath and Body Works. This is what it looks like, and बहुत ही अमेजिंग पैकेजिंग है इसका, एंड यू कैन सी it's like a 3-wick candle. I know you cannot smell it on screen, but I will try and place the notes somewhere on the screen, and of course ये नीचे link रहेगा. Do check it out. I know these are expensive, but Bath and Body Works runs a lot of sales these days, so do track the sales and purchase this one. It's really good. And we want some more recommendations from Bath and Body Works का candle section. Gingham is really good, and so is Sweater Weather, and also Eucalyptus and Mint. Do try these one out. Clothing items में उतना कुछ है नहीं मेरे पास, तो miscellaneous item में ही मैं आप लोगों को दिखाना चाहूँगी. ये एक sports bra जो मैंने लिया है वैन ह्यूसन से. लुक एट दिस, बहुत अमेजिंग है. सो कंफर्टेबल. आपको फील ही नहीं होगा कि आपने ब्रा पहना हुआ है. रियली नाइस. आई मीन वी गर्ल्स लव प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक these don't we? So ये मैं डेफिनेटली नीचे लिंक कर दूंगी. ये इनफैक्ट मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद है कि ये वाला स्पोर्ट्स मैंने 3-4 कलर्स के एक के बाद एक ऑर्डर कर लिए थे. Amazon पे अवेलेबल है, वैन ह्यूसन ब्रांड का है, नीचे लिंक रहेगा. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव दिस लैवेंडर रूम एंड लिनन स्प्रे. दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड अरोमा फ्यूम एंड ये आप लोगों को ना Amazon पे मिल जाएगा. Now this is an amazing room freshening spray. Okay, it has this beautiful lavender fragrance which is so calming, so relaxing. I think post work या फिर ऐसे ही वीकेंड में आप इसको स्प्रे कर सकते हो अपने रूम में, अपने लिनन पे, अपने पिलो पे, एंड बहुत एक रिलैक्सिंग एंड कामिंग वाइब देता है. इतू सा बचा है इसका, इतना यूज किया है मैंने एंड विवेक ने इसको. बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. डू ट्राई दिस वन आउट. यूजुअल जो रूम फ्रेशनर्स वगैरह मिलते हैं वो तो हम खरीदते रहते हैं, बट दिस समथिंग डिफरेंट, यूनिक एंड रियली रियली गुड. सो डू ट्राई दिस वन आउट. इफ यू गाइज लाइक टू डू पेडिक्योर वगैरह एट होम ना, अभी तो एगारो एंड बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स के वो पेडिक्योर वाले जो मशीन्स आते हैं वो तो अवेलेबल है ही. आई हैव अ मशीन लाइक दैट एट होम. अगारो का ही है इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. आई डोंट गेट द टाइम टू यूज इट एज मच एज आई वुड लाइक टू, बट whenever I use that, अगर आप नॉर्मल बकेट में भी गर्म पानी डाल के पेडिक्योर या फिर जस्ट ऐसे नॉर्मल पैर रख रहे हो, यू गाइज कैन यूज दिस फुट सोक फ्रॉम Yogafy Beauty. These are basically Epsom salt crystals unscented. तो ये जो crystals है ना, थोड़ा सा आप लोग को बस लेके वो गर्म पानी में डाल देना है. You can soak in your feet basically. These will not only clean your feet in a better way, these will also take away all like the pain and the tension in your feet. These will really help your feet relax in a proper way. So Epsom salt crystals के बारे में मैंने सुना हुआ था, but once I've used this, I think it works wonders. इसके साथ of course थोड़ा सा शैम्पू या ये भी कुछ डाल देना वो गर्म पानी में, so that it properly cleanses your feet. But this is also like a really really nice addition to like your pedicure routine. Alright guys, we finally made it to the very last, no sorry, second last miscellaneous favorite product for today's video, which is going to be this heating pad. Now this is what the heating pad looks like. Okay, this is pink in color, which is so pretty and aesthetic. And इसको ना चार्ज करने के लिए यहाँ पे एक स्लॉट है, आपको इसको खोलना होता है ये स्लॉट को, एंड दिस इज लाइक द केबल. यू फिक्स इट, इट मेक्स दिस क्लिक वाला साउंड एंड देन यू कनेक्ट दिस एंड ये गर्म हो जाता है. नाउ ये बहुत जल्दी ना बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाता है, सो बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग दिस. लाइक इवन इफ यू लाइक चार्ज दिस फॉर about 15 minutes, this will be hot for more than 2 hours. It's very very nice, very energy efficient I would say. Now क्योंकि winter चल रहा है, I think अगर आप बहुत ठंडी वाली जगह पे रहते हो, लाइक दिल्ली वैली में रहते हो, तो बहुत यूज़फुल होने वाला है आपके लिए. एंड जब हम कश्मीर गए थे, आई रिमेंबर इट वॉज सो कोल्ड, ये बहुत ज़्यादा काम आया हमें. 15-20 मिनट हम लोग ना इसको चार्ज कर लेते थे पोस्ट डिनर, एंड देन ब्लैंकेट के अंदर इसको लेके सोते थे. इट वॉज सो कम्फर्टिंग, आई कांट इवन टेल यू. अनदर बेनिफिट विच वी गर्ल्स कैन मेक आउट ऑफ दिस इज दैट आर बैड menstrual cramps, I think we can get relief from those, because obviously like hot water bag लेके उसमें गर्म पानी वगैरह भरना बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक लेथार्जिक भी फील होता है एंड मेसी भी हो जाता है, कभी कभी लीक वगैरह भी कर सकता है. तो आप ये वाला यूज़ कर सकते हो, बहुत ईजी है टू चार्ज, एंड इसको आप अपने स्टमक पे रख के थोड़ा सा रिलीफ पा सकते हो फ्रॉम मेंस्ट्रुअल क्रैम्प्स. नॉट जस्ट दैट, आई हैड लाइक शोल्डर में ना क्रैम्प द अदर डे, लाइक इट वाज लाइक अ मसल पुल, सो मैंने इसको गर्म करके शोल्डर पे रखा एंड इट जस्ट वेंट अवे. आई थिंक इट्स अ रियली नाइस प्रोडक्ट अगर आप लोगों को लाइक पेन हो रहा हो या फिर ठंड की वजह से आपको कुछ यूज़ करना है. रियली नाइस हीटिंग पैड. ऑफ कोर्स द ट्रेडिशनल हीटिंग पैड्स आर देयर, बट देयर इज समथिंग अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट which is really really good and energy efficient like I mentioned. Alright guys, those were all my favorite products of 2024. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And अगर आप लोगों को पार्ट 2 देखना है, कोई कैटेगरी जिसका आप लोगों को फेवरेट जानना है, प्लीज मुझे कमेंट करके मुझे बता देना. I will see you very very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love you guys. Bye bye.